Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm doing a very different video today. I'm doing my room tour. So I'm very sorry, but the audio is not going to be as good because my camera audio is kind of rubbish. And usually I film with a separate microphone attached to my laptop. Like it records through my laptop. So I'd have to carry my laptop and a giant microphone on a stand and my camera around to get good audio for the video. So I'm very sorry that I'm not gonna do that. So we're sticking with camera audio right now. But yeah, I thought finally my room is finished. I've had my bathroom redone, so I thought I would finally do a room tour because I love this room. It's by far my favorite room I've ever had, and it's actually complete now. Everything's done. So yeah, I thought I would show you my room. Also, yes, I am wearing my glasses. I rarely wear my glasses because I don't need them unless I'm unless I'm driving basically. So I haven't driven in 2 years or longer. Oh my god, it's been 4 years. I'm saying 2 years, it's been 4 years. I was 17, I'm not 19, I'm 21. But I'm watching Lucifer on the TV downstairs. So just to see everything better, because who doesn't want to see Tom Ellis's face in HD? Put my glasses on, I just kept them on because, to be honest, I'm going to be honest and vain here. I think I look quite nice in them today. Also, my hair is very different. I have extensions in. My best friend has started up her own business doing extensions, so she has popped some extensions in for me over the weekend, and I'm obsessed. I'm absolutely in love. I've wanted to have properly thick hair for so long, and this is like basically my natural length. It's like a tiny bit longer just to kind of have some room for like my hair growth over the next couple of months. I'll show you in my mirror in a bit, but I absolutely love them. They're really, really nice. So I will leave her Instagram for the company down below just in case you're in her area and you're interested in extensions. So yeah, let's just get into the room tour anyway. So yeah, this is my doll. It has one dressing gown. Well, it's not really a dressing gown, but my dressing gowns are in the wash at the minute, so they would be on there. Okay, and then I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to do a quick pan of the room here. Yeah, I've kept my ring light out because this is just where it lives. So I figured I would not put it away and pretend that it didn't exist. Yeah, so here we have my anxiety board thing. This is things I want to do or goals I have, and these are the things I have done. Got a wash basket. We have down here a couple little like light up thingamabobbies from pantomimes over the years because my family loves going to pantomimes at Christmas. We have my wardrobes. These were originally my parents'. So basically we swapped wardrobes when we moved in here because of the space. Mine wouldn't fit in, and also I wanted it's a corner unit. And I wanted white, whereas mine were like a beach colour, like from B&Q. So I was going to get new wardrobes anyway, probably. The only problem is, the only thing that needs changing is this door. Like, it won't go properly into the corner. My dad just needs to readjust it, and we just haven't got around to it. Okay, then we have my bed. This is from IKEA. I have some fairy lights that light up different colours. You can't even tell they're on, but they're just battery operated. I just have the little battery pack there. But I think they're cute. The only thing I maybe want to do is add some of them drop fairy lights, like the string fairy lights behind, because A, that would just be really cute, and also for videos that would be quite nice. Yes, that is Ian Somerhalder you see on the wall over there. Hello. Okay, so then here I have my mirror, so I will show you my hair extensions a little bit better in that. Yeah, it's really hot. I've had this dress for 2 years now. This is the first time I've worn it, and I don't know why I haven't worn it for so long. I think because if I was wearing like a strapless bra, I would have to have it further up so that it would cover the bra, and then that makes it quite short. So without bra, sans bra, which I'm now finally comfortable in my body enough to not go without a bra basically, it's fine. Yeah, this is a mirror. This is a little Christmas decoration I got from Debenhams when I was working there. And this is a long mirror from Avon. I just hang it on here so it doesn't get tangled. Yeah, but this mirror is from IKEA. It was originally black and we have repainted it. Although As you can see, I still need to do a little bit of cleaning up around the edges. Yeah, anyway, this is my hair. It's really long, like I say. I think, let me find like my natural hair. I seriously can't find. It's so well blended, I actually couldn't find any of my hairs. So yes, this is a good testament to my friend. I can't find my own hair because, again, my hair is definitely a slight bit shorter. By like a couple inches. Is that my hair? Yeah, this is my hair. So it's like the tiniest bit shorter. So just so in a couple months when my hair's growing, it's not going to look bad. You don't want the extensions to be shorter than your actual hair. But look how thick my hair is. Like, this is more than like what my hair was by itself, just one half. So I'm very happy. Thanks, Bevan, love you. You've done a great job. If you're watching this, you're probably not, but you know. Yeah, like I said, I will link her Instagram down below. So if you're interested in getting extensions, I recommend her. She's really great. Yes, okay, next to this we have the TV, which doesn't actually work. I used to have my PS3 in here, and now it's downstairs. So I could watch DVDs on the TV through my PS3. Yeah, the TV, for some reason, it just won't work, and I don't know why. Like, it turns on, but it doesn't get any channels for some reason. I'm not sure. Got a bin down there. Got a socket. I'm just gonna flatten that back over. Got a socket because I just had this. I only have one plug there, like a single plug behind there, which doesn't really get used because there's nothing that needs to be over there, and a single plug behind my bed. So I have an what's it called? Expansion cable, whatever, there for charging things. And this here because I have a diffuser and a little cherry blossom light which I sleep with on because I get anxious at night time. Don't ask why. I just have a very overactive imagination, so I sleep with that on, so that obviously needs a plug, hence this. Yeah, so this is one of my sets of drawers. I have like all my perfumes, and like I've got some of my I've got like the candle. There's a candle underneath this. So I've got perfumes and room sprays, candles in there, and then the second one down I've got spare makeup bags and more candles. And then the last one I've just got like shorts, hats, bathing costumes, that kind of thing. This is my jewellery box, and this just houses all my like little earrings, like studs and stuff, and I've got, you know, a little unicorn from Next with some rings on, and there's more rings on there. The perfumes I'm using at the minute up here. Then we have my dressing table and chair. The only thing I want to get for this is like a little mirror just to stand on here, because this has a mirror, but it's kind of too far down that you have to like hunch over to be able to see in it. And it's got two drawers. I just have stationery and stuff in here. Then we have another set of those drawers over here with just random stuff in, as you do. I've got To Kill a Mockingbird on here. I have read not very much, I just can't get into it, but I'm still trying. And candles that I'm using at the minute, and two little pug statues, because before I got Alfie I had a huge obsession with pugs, and I still love pugs, but now I have Alfie, I mean, he has overtaken my love for all dogs, understandably. So yeah, I keep my laptop under there. Got slippers, and then I have this is the box my laptop came in. I'm just keeping it, I don't know why. I have a cooling mat for my laptop there, and this is the microphone I usually film with, like record with for my videos. And then my Pride and Joy, my Alex drawers with my makeup in. I just absolutely love these. I've wanted these for years, and I finally have them. I finally had enough makeup to warrant buying them. Yeah, so I have like Project Pan stuff here, and my brushes and tissues, because I always have a tissue to wipe brushes off on every time I do my makeup. And I've got some bubbles, and I have my Sleep Serenity Pillow Mist and my Sleepy body lotion from Lush, because lavender is good for helping you sleep. And then there's Ian. I always accidentally keep calling him Damon, because to me he's Damon. Anyway, on to the pièce de résistance. Next to my mirror and my ring light is my bathroom door. First off, there is a crack in it. We had to take the door off because like like the days in between, well, we had to take the door off because the door wouldn't shut properly when it was first being tiled. The tiling hadn't been like sanded back. Well, the door needed sanding really to fit over the tiles. And so, but there was like a horrible smell of silicone from the sealant in the bathroom, so I didn't want to sleep with that. So my dad took the door off the hinges so he could lean it against the hole in the wall basically. But we had the bathroom window open and it fell and landed on this knob here. So I don't know if you can see, but there's like a little funny scratch there and a little hole in the door, but my dad wants to replace all the doors anyway eventually, so it's fine. We just have to deal with it for now. Okay, I opened the door but I've turned the light on, so anyway. Ta-da! I don't just usually live with the light on in here. Yes, this is my bathroom. I am obsessed with it. Oh, and I just realised, although I would have got copyrighted anyway, hello, another mirror. This, you just kind of go whoop, and it turns on, and it does a boop, and then you can sync up your phone to the mirror, so you can play music through the mirror, and I just think that's so cool. It's really nice. It's more, it makes me actually want to do my skincare because now I can have fun while doing my skincare, because there's like music on and I can have a little dance, you know. Yeah, so we have a really cool waterfall sink. Look at this. I mean waterfall tap. I love it. I'm just gonna turn this off. Got some storage, got my bathing towel here, got some more storage. We couldn't have put a corner cupboard in because the doors wouldn't have opened, so we just kind of did this open shelving unit. And then we have another one here which has spare toilet roll and, you know, pads for period stuff. I don't know what to do, where to put these, so they're just there. And my skincare and stuff stands here. And then this is a little whale that I got from Next. And as you can see, this is like the matching little soap dish. It's also a whale. Very cute. Yeah, we have a great towel rack. If you have a cold bathroom, don't get a chrome towel rack. Get one that's like painted like this, because especially if it's dark colour, it keeps it doesn't keep the heat in as much as a chrome one. It lets the heat out a lot better, so it warms the room better. And then this is my shower. Okay, so we have separate tiling down the back of the shower, so when the light's on, the water's running, it just looks like a waterfall, and it's really cool. And it's got built-in shelves. So the only thing I could possibly want more, which, you know, I'm very happy with this, I'm so happy with it, but obviously my dream bathroom would be big enough to have a gorgeous slipper bath in. That's my dream, but this is just gorgeous. I'm so happy with this bathroom, you don't even know. Like, I love it. Okay, so that is my room. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, give the video a thumbs up and subscribe down below. Yeah, I'm so happy with this. I'm so lucky to have a room this gorgeous. We have technically been working on it for 2 years, but like not properly. It's just, it started. This is the only room in the house that's done. And my mum wanted this house to be, not this house, my mum wanted this room to be painted when I moved in. So I was like going to work from one house and then coming back from work to paint this room with my dad every night to try and get it done before we moved in. And like, so the bathroom just needed redoing. I had a leak in the bathroom a few months ago. Basically, like, it's this tiny little rubber band, the washer, that keeps everything sealed, snapped. And so there's a giant leak and there's a horrible stain on the ceiling downstairs. And it was thankfully, you know, clean water, like the clean water supply. That's what leaked. But basically my bathroom was ruined and it had a horrible damp smell. It just really needed redoing. So that kind of pushed forward getting my bathroom redone because it wasn't a huge priority before then. But I'm very lucky to have such a beautiful room and I absolutely love it. So yeah, I just thought I would share that with you. And again, I'm so sorry for how bad the audio will have been. Next week's video will be better, back with using my microphone over there. And yeah, I'm gonna go now. I hope you enjoyed and I will see you in the next video.